अंदर तो गए नहीं।
And Asif Amlaji will speak about this whole campaign.
So guys and girls, everybody all say hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. That's 3 cheers for my dear friend Arjun. In spite of there being so much of rain, in spite of there being so many uncertainties, in spite of there being so many warning signals from all around, he was persistent and consistent to be here because you all guys are here. Arjunji, let me tell you this, that we were expecting more than 1,500, eco champs here, but because of the rain, I said we have the range, but it was just that it poured more than what was expected out of it. So we are happy that in spite of all that, Arjunji has removed his precious time on a Sunday early morning and to exhibit his love for Mother Nature, his concern for the environment, his concern for and towards the mangroves. He's here to, with you, by you, to himself clean the mangroves. Of course, we've already started this campaign at 8 a.m. in the morning, Arjun. In spite of the heavy rains, there has been one schedule of our volunteers which have already cleaned and left, and we've already managed to clean 4 tons of garbage already. So the balance 3 or 4 tons that we are planning to do is, we awaited that and kept that in a call. We said let the star arrive, and since they're all your big ardent fans, they wanted to see you, witness you, and they wanted to participate with you. Thank you so much. A very big round of applause to Arjun. Very big round. I can't hear you guys. And for the star, for the youth icon, for the environmentalist as heart, Arjun. Zordar taaliyon mein aapke we have Arjun.
Good morning. I'm firstly humbled by the introduction given. If my people at home hear this, they really think I'm a very big star.
Oh, bhai, oh.
No, but I want to thank all of you. There are many ways to spend a Sunday. There are many easier ways to spend a Sunday. Many more convenient ways to spend a Sunday. Choose the easy way out. You guys have chosen the tough way out, and that's what defines you as human beings. And I'm glad to know that within our city, we always turn around to say, what can the city do? What can we stand up for? Every time I come for events like this, functions like this, I get reminded that the regular folk, and that is all of you all, do care, do want to make a difference, and do want to be part of the change. And you guys are educated enough to know that, and that is where I guess the fundamental issue is. Where mangroves are concerned, I don't think there's enough education about people realizing the importance of what mangroves are capable of doing in terms of this weather here today that we're talking about. Yesterday I was seeing footage of the Breeze Candy Club, the waves coming in, the fact that we don't have enough mangroves, and the fact that there is so much of choking in the mangroves causes so many problems where today the weather is like this. And not only the city, in the country, in the world right now, we need more people like all of you all. So a huge round of applause to people like you all who will spread the word. I would like to take this moment to give a huge round of applause to the man who's, I think, more in love with the environment than his own family, and I'm so happy to have people like this around us. A huge round of applause to him. The fact that he can involve his entire family, all of you all coming out because he manages to organize this, his team, it shows that there are genuine people who want to make a difference and do good. So I'm very happy that I can spend Sunday with you all, and I hope this continues and you call me more often. But everything that you've done, everything that you guys have done, I'm just a small part of it. Through me, the message can spread. And more people show up and more people realize the importance of small steps like this to a larger problem. I truly believe it will make a difference at some point, somewhere, somehow. So thank you for being here and thank you for having me as part of this. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Arjunji. And because there's so many people who've been here, we'd like to felicitate some of them. And the NSS team of the Vidyalankar School of Information Technology to please come.
Oh, bye.
So the NSS team of the Vidyalankar School College, the Scout team, the Iron Lady, the NSS team, the Iron Lady, Mr. Joshi, the Iron Man of Scout. So they all have been cleaning the beaches over the years and been a tremendous job. Lala Rajpat Roy College team. Lavina Cheers. The Rizvi NSS. Give me cheers, Rizvi NSS. And the NCC team. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Please come. Please come. Please come. Please come. Yeah, please come from this side. Come from there. The scout team. Ma'am, we have another team to come.
चलो चलो हटो चलो हो गया चलो साइड जाओ चलो नेक्स्ट ग्रुप हो गया चलो
आइए प्लीज
ये भी हो गया चलो अभी
मैडम मेरे फोटोग्राफर्स फोटोज दे दीजिए प्लीज आ जाइए ओके नहीं मैडम वी हैव द स्काउट टीम आल्सो प्लीज द लास्ट स्काउट टीम एंड देन मिस्टर कपूर विल गो ऑन द बीच
भाऊ यार दादा
Okay, the scout team. Please थोड़ा पीछे जाइए. These little kids, the scout, the Maharashtra scout team. Okay, now I would like Mr. Arjun Kapoor to please come on the beach and do a little cleanup. आइए सर प्लीज
भाई भाई बेटा
मोबाइल वाला हट जाओ
साइड में
पीछे हो जाओ भाई थोड़ा
2 मिनट के लिए कॉर्पोरेट
अरे भाई लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ सब लोग पीछे आओ ना क्यों इतना आगे आ रहे हो? तो आप सबसे आगे हो ना आगे रहूंगा ना
आग लगा दी
मीडिया से है इसलिए आप थोड़ा पीछे जाइए
मल्लर थोड़ा मार
2 मिनट कर लेना भाई 2 मिनट
थोड़ा पब्लिक हट जाइए दिख रहा नहीं है
फोटोशूट कैसे करूँ ऊपर देखते देखते लोग बोलेंगे सच में ढोल कर रहे हैं
भाई थोड़ा पीछे तो आप लोग मोबाइल थोड़ा पीछे कीजिए ना पीछे थोड़ा मोबाइल पीछे कीजिए सबको नहीं लेगा थोड़ा
सबको आ जाएगा थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे आएगा
प्लीज सब आप लोग
सबको हो जाएगा और पीछे आ जाएगा हाँ ना मैं
आगे थोड़ा और पीछे हो जाओ भाई लोग
अरे तुम मेरा प्रेम क्यों गंदा कर रहा है सेंटर ही तो छाता दादा छाता अरे सर छाता सर छाता आप अरे आप
But we call them from 7th standard on.
They volunteer.
But today we call them and said not to send their kids. और ऐसे chaotic situation, आप बच्चे आ जाएंगे फिर और ठीक है बेस अरे One lot is already come and done and gone already.
already cleared 3.5 tons of
Already there 350 हो गया. No, but we called अपना मिठीबाई college को मिठीबाई college में भी called in the morning. Because don't do that. Don't send them. Arjun.
बाजू
Let's take that walk and out. On, please.
आराम से भाई. हाँ भाई. हाँ. खाली सुनो खाली चलते रहो भाई ये आके भाई थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ आप लोग.
पीछे थोड़ा पीछे.
मैं जा तो हूँ यहाँ पहले था एक ही जगह रहेगा. जगह दे दिए तब भी. हाँ साइड में हो गया रियल में साइड में हो गया बीच में आ गया.
The scary part is that the building right here, the building right here, and they have all this.
तो गणपति में you can imagine our whole team post the Visarjans is there here.
Over here.
Yeah. Even here the Visarjan.
एक दिन 1.5 दिन 3 दिन होता है ना.
मैडम पीछे से ले लो थोड़ा सा.
थोड़ा और पीछे हो सकते बराबर आएगा. 1 मिनट थोड़ा और पीछे हो जाओ.
हाथ हटा लो.
अपन आप यहाँ से नीचे से मत जाइए. मीडिया से हो रहा है. आप अपना वो फोटोग्राफ अलग हुआ. पीछे से लो भाई. मत करो ना आगे फ्रेम में आ रहे हो.
पीछे से ले लो सबको मिल जाएगा. पीछे हो जाओ पानी.
राखी निकल ही नहीं रही है. लंबी हो गई.
Eventually, you have to come and cut this thing. You can't keep doing it with that. Yeah.
अभी एक टफली खाया हुआ है सर।
थोड़ा दूर से लेते हैं ना, चलते वक्त जरा अच्छा बराबर से आएगा।
I would shake your hand. I don't think that's a good idea.
बीच में कोई नहीं आना।
नहीं छोड़ेगी ना।
प्लीज तो थोड़ी जगह बना दीजिए।
ये साइड से आप लोग अपनी एक मिनट ये सिर्फ
कोई भी आगे मत आइए, प्लीज प्लीज 1 मिनट, प्लीज आप लोग पीछे रहिए, प्लीज प्लीज।
If we can avoid the bites totally.
अर्जुन का गार्ड का है। अर्जुन अर्जुन आई सी यू हियर।
राज पहले वायर निकालो।
छोड़ के जाओ।
But clearly as you can make out, it's not a lazy day at all when we have good Samrathians and citizens of Mumbai city and people who love the environment and care about the environment show up. बहुत मायने रखता है जब यूथ यानी कि युवा पीढ़ी आती है और ये दिखाती है कि we care. And I think that should be a signal and message for everybody else watching that you can take out time. I know Sundays everybody works hard, Monday to Saturday, and you want to take it easy. But it's good to give back in your own way. It doesn't take a lot. आज मैं आया तो काम स्लो हो गया थोड़ा सा, मुझे लगता है मेरे नहीं आने से काम और फास्ट होता, बट मेरे आने से वो मैसेज फैलेगा. मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ आसिफ भाई का कि उन्होंने मुझे लायक समझा that I can come and spread the word. I feel ये ज़रूरी चीज़ है. Sometimes in our daily life we forget the importance of what our city, the world means to us. And जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं आजकल वेदर का माहौल ऐसा है कि इतना अनप्रिडिक्टेबल हो चुका है. That's partly due to human behavior. It's not only कि बस भगवान ने सोचा आज बारिश करा देता हूँ. We've caused problems in the environment. We are as responsible. So अगर आप गलती करते हो तो सुधारने भी आप ही को चाहिए. And I think it's just a good starting point to have what on a Sunday morning 8 o'clock 300 400 kids on a rainy day, on a day where most kids
500 of them have gone back.
yeah, most kids were not allowed to come because of safety reasons, which is fair enough. But it just shows 1,000 kids can actually make a difference. And imagine if you add 1,000 pe ek aur 1,000 pe ek aur 1,000, it's just unbelievable what humans can achieve when they put their heart and mind to it. So I'm really happy to be part of this movement, and I hope it continues for many, many more years to come. Thank you.
Thank you very much.